Hello mechanics and aspiring mechanics. Today we're going to put down the tools of our trade and take a moment to focus on the road that lies ahead. In our line of work, the only constant is change. Technology advances, vehicles evolve, and customer expectations shift. Yet it is precisely in this ever-changing landscape that opportunity awaits for those with the courage to seize it. As Anthony Robbins once said, the only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. And as Napoleon Hill observed, whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Our thoughts have the power to shape our reality, and it is through unwavering faith in ourselves and our abilities that we can overcome even the greatest of challenges. Let these words resonate within you as a reminder that the potential for growth and expansion in our craft and our businesses knows no bounds. Each car that rolls into our garage is not just a vehicle in need of repair, but a testament to the trust placed in us by its owner. It is our duty, our privilege, to ensure that trust is rewarded with the highest level of service and expertise. Zig Ziglar famously declared, "You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great." Let this be our rallying cry as we embark on the journey of continual improvement. Whether it's mastering a new diagnostic technique, investing in the latest equipment, or expanding our service offerings, let us never settle for mediocrity when greatness awaits on the horizon. Growth extends beyond the confines of our individual skills. It encompasses the very essence of our businesses. As Jim Rohn wisely observed, success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. Let us become the kind of businesses that attract success through our unwavering commitment to excellence, integrity, and customer satisfaction. And let us also not forget the importance of camaraderie and collaboration in our pursuit of greatness. Les Brown reminds us that you need a support system. You need people that will help you. Together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone, sharing knowledge, resources, and encouragement along the way. Every interaction you have throughout the day can potentially open new opportunities for learning and growing your business if you approach it that way. So let us embrace the challenges that lie ahead with open minds and determined hearts. Let us strive not only to meet, but to exceed the expectations of our customers, knowing that in doing so, we elevate not only ourselves but our entire profession. Staying positive and motivated in our world of bad news and fear is more important than ever. Let's be intentional about it and embrace the wisdom of these great motivational speakers and apply it to our daily lives as auto mechanics. Let us never stop growing, never stop learning, and never stop striving for excellence in all that we do. I wish you an inspired day of hard work and the future success that will come from it.